What's going on? We back with another one. So today we gonna print this image and put it on another pillowcase. A lot of people been asking me about the settings. So today I'm gonna give y'all full color detail, how to make your colors pop exactly like right here. This is what you see. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your colors pop today. Something like this right here. Also, I'm gonna teach you guys how to print a bigger size. And I'm gonna show you in Photoshop how we get a bigger image for the ones that's out there that keep asking about it. So let's get into the video. Epson 2720 printed that. Epson 2720 printed that. How you print big size like that? Epson 2720. Thanks for the video, y'all. We out here. So we got it up here, and I'm finna teach you guys some settings today. Y'all gonna thank me later because y'all gonna need these color settings to pop. So we're gonna go up here, and the paper that I got, if you watch the front of the video, I actually posted the A-Subs paper that we got, sublimation paper, and the size of it is what you see right here, 8.5 by 14, and we will be printing this portrait paper type. You would want to put it at premium presentation matte. That is the best setting for it because you're using high quality paper. As well as quality, you always want to make sure you don't have it on standard. You want to change it to high. Go right here to colors. Okay, boom. Once you do your colors right, everything is good. We're gonna come up here to options, more options. We're gonna come over here to color correction. Y'all pay attention because y'all gonna need these colors. Advanced. Now, this is where it's gonna get real messy. A lot of y'all don't have these settings. I know y'all looking crazy, so I'm gonna let y'all screenshot this. Everything you see, take a picture, pull out your phone right now and take a picture of this right here, because you're gonna need these settings, right? Because y'all's not gonna look like this. So if color management don't look like this, correct it to this right here. If color mode don't look like this, you want to change it to Adobe. It shouldn't be at Epson view. You want to change it to Adobe colors because this is the actual color. Gamma, put it at 2.2 if yours not set already. Now this is where it get interesting at. For your brightness, you want to bump it up to 9. For your contrast, you want to bump it up to 8. For your saturations, you want to bump it up to 15. For your densitivity, you want to bump it up to 4, right? And these colors gonna make your colors pop the most. And shout out to my boy Sam for helping me with these settings when I first started, and I actually modified my own settings. So you guys make sure you do this before you print something, and especially when you sublimate. Once you go to OK, we gonna go over here. Hold on. Gonna press OK. So what I like to do is go back to the settings real quick, and we're gonna go to multiple pages. Once we're in multiple pages, last time I did like a 2x by 2x, but this time I think I want to go with like probably like a 3x or a 4x. I want to see how much paper it's gonna take for me to print this 4x4 poster, and we want to see how big of a size of a print we actually can get. So with that being said, I hope this video, let me see. So I don't know, I think all of them really 6, but I want to break it up, so I'm gonna go that way. And let me go and load this paper up in my printer, and I'll be right back. There you go, y'all. It's coming out. Let's see what this poster about. So you guys, actually, I had to redo a print because actually when I printed it to 4x4 poster size, it was way too many pages and it was like humongous. It was a humongous image. Like when I tell you humongous, like you actually could have took this image and actually put it on the all over shirt. When I did the 4x4, right, I ended up printing 16 pages. 16 pages, the same way as that right there. But the only difference is 14th one, I think I just counted it because I noticed that it was too big. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna size this thing up and we're gonna get it this print 2x2 poster size. And this time it's gonna actually do the right thing. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and print this, and I'll see y'all in a little bit when it actually print. Alright, y'all. So this is the image, and a lot of people have been wondering what do I gotta do before I actually sublimate it. So if you look in between those lines, like right up in here, you're gonna have to take your scissors, right? Where my scissors at? We're gonna take this and we're gonna trim it, right? And they wanna know how you do it, right? Cut it as much as you can, but not too much. Process, we'll do the same thing. We're gonna cut, but this time I'm gonna cut this off the top. Since I already cut the top off this one, might as well chop the top off this one so I can hit. You guys can see, and I know it look a little backwards and all that, but it's only backwards because we got to, you know, reverse it. So, but once we actually put it on the pillowcase, we're gonna measure it up and we're gonna see what size is this. Let me pull this out of this real quick. Alright, I'm about to put some tape on it real quick though. I know a lot of y'all been asking me how do you do it and shit. Like all you need is some transfer tape, some heat transfer tape. And me personally, I try to go the easiest route. So I always do this right here. I start with the bottom one, right? And I take it. Since this got the white on the right here, I can just flip it over, right? Like that right there. Put me some tape on it like this. Right? Oh shit. I think it's now we're gonna take this image and we're gonna line it up. Can y'all see that? I can see that. Can y'all see that? Alright. You wanna line this thing up. And you're gonna do the same thing basically for the, see that? We got the bottom already done. And what I'm gonna do is I always go over it and put some more tape on the back of it just to be extra cautious. Other than that, yeah, that's it for it, man. So yeah, just make sure y'all do your teeth like that so y'all can get that actually the look. When you set it on there, it's gonna actually look. Now we in the lab, we finna get this shit right for y'all. You know, cause if it wasn't for y'all, it wouldn't be no Junior Gang Productions, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I see we got the image right here. I already done heat pressed the pillowcase. So now we're just gonna flip it Right. We're gonna flip it. Basically, I'm using this board as a jig. A lot of y'all probably wouldn't even know what that is. But a jig is something that you use for t-shirt makers. And I'm trying to get my edge straight. Right now we're just prepping up this heat press. Prepping it up, getting it right, getting it heated up, getting the wrinkles out, so we can put the image on. You know, just stop doing it like that and do it like that. Best thing about this, the worst thing about this is I gotta figure out how I'm gonna use this jig. So that's gonna be the hardest thing. I don't know, should I go the long way? 2 presses, bum bum bum. On there so that won't move. I'm teaching y'all something. Y'all better watch this whole video. Y'all gonna wanna learn something today. At least y'all gonna know y'all learned something. To get it going, I said I was gonna do it like this, so this might be the way I do it. 'Cause I don't know. Man, so basically I'm about to just hit each side of this paper for the amount of time, just to try to get what I aim to do. And then we'll hit the bottom next. It's gonna be very hot. Okay, I see it bleeding through already, y'all. And now we're gonna hit the last part. 60 seconds, y'all. Let's do it. Y'all ready for it? Y'all ready for it? I don't think they ready for it. I don't think they ready for it. I don't think they ready. I don't think they ready for it. Oh, I messed up on the ends just a little bit. But I still got it perfect. I only messed up a little bit. Dang, now that's decent. Ooh wee. Y'all see them colors? Y'all see them colors? The colors. Just like how I look on the screen. Look at the colors. Yeah, Dream Game Productions. Y'all already know. There's a time where y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe, man. The only place I messed up is right there. And I knew I did that. But yeah, other than that, y'all see the colors. Epson 2720 printed that. Epson 2720 printed that. How you print big size like that? Epson 2720. Thanks for the video, y'all. We out here. That being said, I just wanted to let everybody know I appreciate y'all for watching my YouTube videos. And for the ones that I always out there trying to help, you know, hope this video for y'all, you know. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's keep it going. And if y'all need help with anything else out there, like I said, just drop a comment at the bottom of the drop a comment and just let me know what's going on, what you need help with. Let's get up out of here. I'll catch y'all on the next video.